How to create anime lines animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Bring a background, connect it to Media Out, and change its color to white. While the background node is selected, click on Polygon Mask. Click sometimes in the viewer to make a shape like mine. Select Polygon Mask, press Shift+Space, search for Transform, and add it. Disconnect Polygon from Transform and connect it to the yellow input of the transform, not the blue one. Select the transform, search for Duplicate node, and add it. Set number of copies to 15, angle to around 24, and time offset to 1. Select the transform node. Right-click on the size property, and choose Modify with Shake. In the Modifiers tab, click on Recede button, set smoothness to 0, minimum to 0.8, and maximum to 1.2. Go back to the Tools tab, right-click on the angle, and choose Modify with Shake. In the Modifiers tab, click on Recede button, and set smoothness to 0, minimum to -20, and maximum to 20. Select Background node, search for Time Speed, and add it. Then set Speed to 0.2. Select the background and click on the Image tab. Uncheck Auto Resolution and set width to 1600 instead. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline. Select the layer and adjust its size and position in the inspector.